Good afternoon, or actually good morning. We are driving from Port Orchard to Belfair. Ultimately, we're on our way to the Hema Road, I call it. It's actually a forest road.
Proceed 3 miles on Washington 16.
It's the road that takes you to Lena Lake Trail. And I think there's a campground there. But I got bad news this morning. My platform tin is delayed, so it might not be in for another week, and then who knows how long I'll have to wait now to get it installed. It really sucks. It's so hard to get anything anymore between COVID and just everyone buying everything, it seems. Can't keep anything in stock. But we'll see what happens next week, I guess. Hopefully it arrives and hopefully they fit me in. I mean, it's only an hour and a half job. But we'll see. So we'll just keep doing our daily drives, I guess. Me 3 gas stations to get diesel this morning. So the first one I didn't realize didn't have diesel, so that was my fault. And then the second one was out of diesel. So I basically drove around half the town before I got to the third spot. So it's been quite the morning. But hopefully it's all better. I did remember to bring my squeegee to clean the window while I'm driving. I could stop. And I have the spray bottle with cleaner in it. So that's awesome. So I'm going to redo the forest road leading to staircase area of Olympic National Park. That entire section. And I want to check out Mount Eleanor trailhead, possibly. We'll see what time it is. I want to start getting rid of some of these bad videos that I did close by that are in 1080p and have the pixelation from YouTube. But I shouldn't drive a whole lot today. Shouldn't be more than 125, 150 miles maybe, which is good. We drove a lot, ended up driving a lot over the weekend. But we figured out the bike trail from Chehalis to Raymond, so that was good.
In 1/3 of a mile, keep left to Washington 16. To Washington 16.
So basically, the sounds like the platform tent is supposed to leave the port today. It'll take all week to drive across the country.
1/3 of a mile, turn left.
It's in some port in New Jersey, they said. So
in 1/4
I just hope it gets here next week.
Washington 3.
I wasn't really gonna use it in the next week. I just was. It's such a pain, like scheduling all this stuff. Not really for me, but because these places are so busy. I just hope they get me in. All right, enough harping on that. Hopefully the drive will make me feel better. I just need to get away from all these people and cars. Get on the forest roads. Be happy. Good news. Another good news is COVID in Washington is going down. Like, there was a mini peak that they were all hyping a few weeks ago, and I'm like, it's not gonna be bad because everyone has their shots. And I was right. I'm glad I was right. And no counties got rolled back. Wow, this light is horrible. I hope we make it. That would really suck if we got to sit through this again.
Turn left to Washington 3.
Whew. Made it.
Proceed 3 miles on Washington.
Alright, now I need to lose this UPS truck. Wow, there's Amazon vans everywhere. Oh, I forgot. That's because of the their package facility up ahead. So I don't think I've driven on this road to Belfair. We took the back roads during the snowstorm, so this should be new. We go past the drive-in. So it's 8 miles to Belfair. Ooh, and I'm speeding. I did not realize the speed limit here is 50. I was going 60 for a second. The Scotch broom, it is thick along this road. All those yellow flowers. It's the Scotch broom bush. It's like someone's getting some shingles. So there's the new Amazon package distribution center on the left. You probably saw it when we were going through the circle. It so it's not a fulfillment center. It just it's where they send packages for the region, and then they have a bunch of Amazon delivery vans, you know, come pick up their stuff.
1/4 of a mile.
It's pretty big though.
Washington 3 Southwest.
And then the Bremerton Airport is to the left. So they have a drag racing track over there, plus a little racetrack, I think. And supposedly they got like $15 million to expand it, make it like an actual racetrack, and they're gonna try and attract like national, you know, races. It who would be really neat. I hope hope they really do that. And they're gonna have build like garages where people can join. You know, pay to drive around the track when it's not being used, race on it, and then you can park your your sports car in the garage right there. So I thought that's pretty neat. So I have the AC on. Hopefully the camera won't overheat. I didn't feel like plugging it in for this bit to the power cord because I'm gonna turn it off once I get to Belfair and then wait until I get to the forest road. No bugs though yet, so that's awesome. What is it? 62 outside. It's supposed to be near 70 in town today. Probably be in the 60s where I'm going. So I was gonna put water in the RV, but I think I'll wait until we go camping because we don't have anything in our water, and I like using, like a treated water once in a while that has, might have some chlorine in it and stuff. City water help keep it clean, and even though we don't drink it, I don't want anything funky to start growing in there. The water tank. The way it's set up, I don't even know. You can't easily add a cleaner. So we've actually never disinfected it. But we've never really drank the water either. Just use it to wash our hands and the toilet and the shower. That's it. And we don't shower in there much since our cat's litter box is in the shower. I want to get one of those portable showers for the truck that has the little square screen. And then you hang the bag in the middle of it, and the sun heats up the water in the bag. I think that would work good. And then I also want to get the toilet that has the bag that goes around the seat. I think that would be more comfortable than digging a hole and trying to go to the bathroom that way. So those are my two things for my truck wish list camping. And they're not that expensive. Well, we're almost to Belfair. Another mile and a half will be by the Safeway. Yeah, I did really good. I did not I didn't call the place once, like bother them about whether the platform tent was in or coming in. I just have a feeling it's not going to be here next week. be. That's a long drive across the country for it. Can't be cheap. Well, this is Belfair, so I'm gonna stop this video until we get to the forest road, and we will start it again. Oh, and I think I just saw a food truck. It might be a barbecue. But thanks for watching. Bye.